bit to finish up. We got most of our walls taken care of, but we need to finish up a couple of these walls. This wall here, we currently just have drawn like this. If I look at SketchUp, right here's the bathroom. We need to cut this little wall out, and we got to finish this wall. And this is how we edit walls once we're doing this. And then in here we have a closet. And we have a closet. Closets are 24 inches deep, inside to inside. That's what a closed closet is. That's what it takes to hang something. So 24 inches deep, and then we're going to figure this out. This is going to be a 3/0 door, so we have to be at least 3'2" away from here. So we're going to come here. We're going to take care of this closet first. Guideline. Bring it down. 2 foot. Guideline. Bring it forward. And then 4 inches or 3.5 inches. Because if I take a look, remember I'm 3.5. Then come in here. I want to be at least 3'2" away from here because that door's got to swing open. And then I have to be another 3.5 inches there. So that's this closet wall. And again, I'm inside this model as I'm drawing all of that. Now I can draw a line straight up. Draw this line straight up. And we'll do a push-pull and bring this wall to that guideline. Again, draw a line straight up. Draw a line straight up. And do a push-pull to that guideline. I can erase that out. Now I got that closet in. Next closet's a little bit easier. So I got this closet done, and I'm going to this closet over here. Tape measure. Bottom, coming down on the floor 2 feet, coming 3.5 inches. Draw my lines straight up. Draw this line. Straight up, push-pull it, right across. And I can erase out that edge. Come here, make sure my edge is erased out, and erase that. Now I got that closet completed and this closet completed. Last thing I have to do is work with this piece here. So I'm going to try to put a 3/0 door in here, and we can maybe move this afterwards if we need to. So we need to have 3 inches on each side. So this door going into this bedroom is going to be a 3/0. And actually, let's clean up this wall here first. So I'm going to knock this wall out by just drawing a line across. Drawing a line across. And now I can push-pull. Drop that down. Erase that extra line. Erase my top line. Make sure I didn't delete a surface. And I have that opening walking through here. Now I got to figure out this door. So I'm going to put a 3/0 door in here, and this is going to come later in it, but I'm going to put it 3 inches, then we're going to go 3 feet, and we're going to go 3 inches. And that's my door opening. And then I'm going to go 3.5, or from this wall it'd be 3 inches and 3 inches and 3 feet, so 3 feet 6 inches, and then 3.5 inches there. Wall line up. Wall line up. Push pull across. And now we have this little area right here completed. So if I take a look at this straight down, I'm going to change my view a little bit. I can see I have that little alcove taken care of there. And that's how you finish up the last few walls. So if I look there, look here, coming back and forth, I can see all my walls are complete.